safely use it, or we can safely share it if we have used it. And so, to start off, let me give an introduction about Double X by showing a short video on it. And then we'll have a little explanation of what it is. And also, so when you also share it with others, these are basic information.
Double X packs 12 vitamins, 10 minerals, and 20 plant concentrates into
Supplements you have. Can you take all of that? 22 bananas and 3.5 or main pounds of meat and chicken. We'll know more about Double X here, and this is how it looks like on screen and live. And I'll be explaining the different kinds of boxes that Double X has. It was mentioned earlier that it's a powerhouse. It's everything you need your multivitamins to be. So it has finely calibrated balance of 12 vitamins in gold foil, 9 minerals in silver foil, and 19 plant concentrates in bronze foil. So each of these packages come in tin foil. So the gold, the silver, and the bronze. Now, in each one of those, each tab would contain the 12 vitamins, the 9 minerals, and 19 plant concentrates. So ganon karami ang mga nutrients that we have here. Vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. People depend on Double X because of its sound nutritional basis. It's power-packed with the vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients, supporting your active and healthy lifestyle. You see, one of the endorsers of Double X here in the country is our athlete, national athlete, Paeng Nepomuceno. Many times gold champion for bowling, and he even endorsed Double X, and he uses it. In the launching here in the country, he said he's using it. Now, he has extra energy for it, and we'll see why he has extra energy. So, it's power-packed, and it has phytonutrients with antioxidant protection, targeting key cells of self-damaging free radicals. So, it's not only adding energy to you, it's also an antioxidant. So, for those who would like to be forever young, this is an antioxidant. It gets rid of the free radicals. The free radicals are the ones that can cause damage. And if this would target these free radicals, then the harmful effects of it will be removed, thus boosting your immune system as well. Now, in the US, they compared Double X with Centrum with GNC Solotron. And based on this study, Double X contains more of almost every vitamin and mineral, plus many more plant concentrates, which provide superb antioxidant protection. Let me show you why. Okay. I did not list down all the vitamins and minerals. I just chose a few of the vitamins and minerals and compared them with Centrum and GNC Solotron. Okay, so these are the tablets, or these are the multivitamins which they use to compare with Double X, and this is based on the US findings. So, in terms of vitamin A, Double X and Solotron both have 10,000 IU or international units. But look at the other vitamins and other nutrients found in Double X. They go here by the hundreds. Centrum and GNC would only have a couple, and in general, it has more of the nutrients as compared to the leading brands that they have for multivitamins. And these are not all. So aside from your vitamins and minerals, look at the advantage of Double X here. again, this is not the whole list of the phytonutrients. What we're saying here is that this list of phytonutrients are present only in double X. Centrum and GNC Solotron do not have a trace of the phytonutrients that comes with double X. So it has already a power pack of vitamins and minerals. And in addition, you have all these phytonutrients or your plant concentrates. And look, you can recognize them. Basil, asparagus, apple extract, rosemary extract, oregano. This is not something exotic. These are your plant products that would have specific nutrients needed by the body. And all of this found in double X. None in the other leading brands, which they say can compare with double X. Okay. Now, what's the advantage of double X versus the other brands here? It's the phytonutrient. Even in the vitamins and minerals, you already have an advantage. But the other advantage would be that of phytonutrients, which bring life to the colors. So you remember the campaign of Nutrilite, which talks about the different colors, like the colors of the rainbow. It also corresponds to the color of the food that you need to take in. So you have samples of white, yellow, citrus, your orange, green, blue, violet, etc. And this color wheel, when you complete that, gives you a complete nutrient meal. But we cannot take everything, like the 22, but I always remember the 22 bananas. It's easier for me to remember because they're found here in the, very easy to find in the market. You cannot eat 22 bananas at a time, but with double X, 2 tablets, you have complete of that in addition to other things. Okay, so what's a phytonutrient? Because a lot of people will ask you, what is so special about phytonutrients which is present in your double X? Your phytonutrients are naturally occurring chemicals in plants. That's why it's called phyto. Phyto means plant. So roughly translated, phytonutrients means nutrients coming from the plants. Okay, so these are naturally occurring chemicals in plants that help fight off insects, resist disease, promote healthy growth, and enhance survival. And Nutrilite has included phytonutrients in its supplement formulas because of the benefits to humans. So long before they thought of using plant sources for vitamins, Nutrilite already captured it in the tablets that we have. And we're very fortunate that we have many decades of research behind Nutrilite. And that's another story. But right now, what's important to say is that it's power-packed, it has phytonutrients, and it's very beneficial to humans. And it's present, only most of them, in double X, not in the other brands. Okay. Now, for suggested use, 1 gold, 1 silver, and 1 bronze tablet twice a day. Okay? Or for more convenience, tailor it to your own activity. For some, for not too active, once a day of these 3 tablets would be fine. Yeah. I think for many Filipinos, it's okay. But when you're an athlete, they take like twice a day of these 3 tablets. The gold corresponds to your vitamins, your silver corresponds to your mineral, and the dark one corresponds to your phytonutrients. Okay. And double X is a supplement intended to be taken with a meal. Because of the strong elements in here, it is suggested that you take Nutrilite after a meal. Huwag po yung walang laman ng tiyan. Kailangan may laman na. Okay. Now, for children under 12 years of age, pregnant women, nursing mothers, or anyone with a medical condition, please consult your doctor first. Okay? While these are plant concentrates and these are healthy, but we want to be sure. So, consult your doctor if you're less than 12 years of age, if you're pregnant, or you're a nursing mother, or if you have other ailments, it would be safer to ask your doctor first. Okay. So this is the advisory that we give to Nutrilite. I think this is one of the things that I also appreciate with Nutrilite. They do not tell you, okay, take it by all means. But you see, they tell us, when you have these certain conditions, you also consult a doctor, even if these are very helpful already. Okay. Now, after describing to you what Nutrilite XX is, I'd like to share a clinical research update which I feel would be important if you want to see why it's important as an antioxidant and why it's important to help you in your general health. And this was the research that talked about the effects of daily multi-supplementation on nutrient status and risk factors in healthy adults. These are the investigators, 2 doctors, and they came from 2 research centers, one from Providence Clinical Research and the other one from Saul Research Medical Center. And they're an independent group who use XX among their subjects and identified the effects of these supplements. The XX 2005 reformulation study was designed to test the benefits of consuming the recommended daily serving of XX on 2 levels. Okay. What are these 2 levels? One is analyzing the level in the bloodstream of the health-promoting nutrients contained in XX, and the second one is to analyze the the levels of selected risk factors. So we would like to know, at the end of the study,